Hello viewers, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We have a question on arithmetic progression, NOV-DEC 2024. The second and the fourth terms of an arithmetic progression, AP, are given as 9 and 17 respectively. We have to find the common difference, and the options are given as this. First of all, we have to recall that the nth term of any arithmetic progression is given by this formula, where the n stands for the number of terms, the first term, the d stands for the common difference. So if I'm looking for the second term, it means the n becomes 2 equals to a plus 2 minus 1. That will be 1. 1 times d will be d, and that is purported to be 9. So that will give us the first equation if we are to cap it from here. Then for the fourth term, meaning the n becomes 4, equals to a plus 3 minus 4 minus 1. That gives us what? 3 times the d, purported to be 17, giving us the second equation. So we are having two equations to solve simultaneously. I will apply the elimination method so that a plus d equals to 9, a plus 3d equals to 17. I'm going to subtract equation 2 minus what? Equation 1, since I'm having the same coefficient in the first variable. So a minus a will be 0. That will be eliminated. Then 3d minus d. There are 3 of the d's. We take away 1. You'll be left with 2 of the d equal to 17 minus 9. I believe you take away 7 here, you'll be left with 10 minus 2 will give you 8. So we divide by the coefficient here. 2d divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, the d will be giving us what? 4. In simultaneous equation, we find the value of the two unknown variable. But it happened to see that we have the d first, which is what we are looking for. Common difference, which is the d. So no need going further finding the a, because we need only the d. So the option we can go for will be the option B as our final answer. So don't forget, if it is simultaneous equation on its own, you need to find the a also by putting the 4 here minus this will give you the a to be 5. That's the first step. I guess this is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.